Yeah. This guy's lifting the whole car, bro. God damn.
Is it good now?
Yeah, it's good. It's off the ground. I don't want to raise it too high, bro.
Yeah. This is good. Wait, make sure you're putting it on the right.
No, that's what I can't see.
This guy, she's struggling to put his wheels on. I'm just sitting here watching this.
I don't think it matters.
Another Civic to the channel. Oh, mine's not a Civic though.
It doesn't matter like what direction this is facing in, right? Like all tires, like you know what I'm saying? Like it should correspond.
No, bro, if I flip it the other way, then this is gonna face it.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
No, but like I'm saying like another rim maybe. That.
Oh.
But like I think this is the right direction for
Tires?
Put it like this. I just want to see what it looks like.
Holy, these guys are so lost.
No, yeah, you're better. That was.
I don't know.
You're good. You're good. Yeah.
You're the YouTuber, bro. You're gonna tell me what's right.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Hold this.
Because like I was just
Hold
like
this.
trying
No,
to
it says directions on the tire.
Oh, it does. Okay.
It says direction?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yo, I didn't know that, bro.
I was just like
Actually,
basing it off like the center. You know how it's like more pointed.
Yo, are you recording?
Yeah.
It's not like here.
Why was he just posted with the camera in his hand?
I was watching the videos after. It's so jokes.
Beauty. Looks nice. It's got a nice indent.
That's fire though.
Looks good. Trust. Bro, like the tire pattern looks good too.
Look at him. He's been looking for tires. Wheels. So happy.
So many years.
Alright, that's 1 out of 4 done, and we've been sitting here for 45 minutes.
Have we actually? That is not good.
Yo, nice sticker. Where'd you get it from?
Some random dude I met on the streets.
Damn.
Oh, is he filming back? Yo, come back. I'll say something nice.
Gotta pull this guy side skirts off.
I put my entire side.
It's just 3M tape though.
Oh,
You can
it
put
is
it back. Yeah, it's just 3M tape.
Okay, that's fine.
Nice.
Bro, I just want a hydraulic lift in my garage. Jack, with your YouTube money, bro, just hydraulic lift, okay?
Yo, with my YouTube money, I'll buy you a.
SI?
Yeah. Yo, listen up, listen up.
4 hands.
Hey, yo, what the f?
Is the right one?
Yeah, you're using the wrong one. This guy is awesome.
And when you're ready to drop out of school,
I'm so ready, bro.
you can be Jackson's full-time
School's actually a pain. Yeah.
full-time videographer.
Nah, you got a competition though. Aaron's there.
Alright, so can I drop it now?
Recording, right? Just in case.
Yeah. Of course, of course.
Man, Vice is just never coming through.
He said he's coming? Rev it! Rev it! Rev it!
This guy came with a full bag of McDonald's, bro.
Jeez. Overnight parts from Japan.
Personal delivery.
Jeez! Here, do it again, do it again, do it again. Jeez!
I hope he stalls right now. If he stalls,
Why do you even get the car on camera? I was zoomed in. 2 shit boxes on one driveway.
2 girls, 1 Coupe.
How did I catch you lacking is bad.
Bro.
You're gay. You're homosexual.
What the yo? Are you always recording, bro? Yo, it's stuck.
Never a project without struggles. You stuck?
Yeah.
Hold it.
Wait, what do you mean?
What do you mean? Push your car this way. Push your car this way. Just push it.
Heavy lifting. Work up.
Yo, are you doing whiter bronze? Whiter bronze.
From your
Whiter bronze.
Ron.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You want to let the comment section decide?
Yeah, let the conversation decide.
There's gonna be like one person commenting, and that's gonna be like Bison.
He's gonna say like pink or some shit. When are you gonna post a video? 3 years from now?
This guy's dissing.
Wrap this guy's trunk and that's it. No video.
I still have to post 2 more videos before that.
Yo, don't lie.
Yeah.
Bro, get on that, bro. You're not even. Oh, actually, you're working right now.
I work. So much work. It's okay. I got you guys with the content though. Don't worry. Even if it's late, it's gonna be fire.
Yo, please look at Bison's genius idea.
What did you do?
He put the rock under so it stops spinning.
Jeez. Now make sure you take it off before you jacks it down though.
No, I was about to page this guy. I was like, yo, we're gonna drop it. Why are you putting a stone?
Why'd you bring? You brought the other tie. You said wrong location. What do you mean?
No, red pattern. See, this one goes this way?
Yeah. Yo, show him the arrow. Show him the arrow on it.
Right here.
It just goes like this way.
Yeah.
Straight
Yo, 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 yo! This guy's Tesla. Yo, you modifying your Tesla soon?
I've been telling my mom to get a front splitter.
Jeez. Yo, you wanna try my rims on this?
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'll make some BBSs for those.
Oh, facts.
Spray paint the calipers. Okay, why don't you show YouTube where to properly jack it?
Okay, this is for everyone here. What should I call my garage name?
Garage 17.
Yeah, welcome to Garage 17, guys.
I'll play.
Welcome to
Jackson's garage.
welcome to Midnight Garage, guys. So we only do the work after 12 p.m. Is it p.m. or a.m.? A.m. Yeah, 12 a.m. So this is where you put the jack stand.
Yeah, say which part on it.
Point to it, bro.
I can't even see it.
Zoom out.
Alright, you
Here, I'll
see
drop
this? This groove right. Oh, chill out.
There's nothing there.
You see this groove right here? You can jack around along the whole.
Just jack it on.
Or maybe jack it up right now and then show where the groove is.
You can jack it along this whole thing right here, but this is the best spot. Just line it up and then the jack, you know. I'm bad at explaining.
Position now.
Yeah.
I worked so hard for that.
Okay. Yeah, so it should be good now. You can just go up. No, wait, hold on. Yeah, it's good now. It's good now.
Guys, please subscribe and to help Jackson get a hydraulic lift to make all his projects go faster.
All my projects are your projects. It's so fire though. If you get you just need those bronze rims and then like do a little bit of camber on the back.
Maybe like my -2, -3.
Just buy Godspeed kind of cambers. They're good enough. They're only like 200. Oh, you do? Oh shit, yeah, you do have camber. This guy came here, did nothing. He came here to eat his food. Now he left. This is the second person to do this. This guy here working hard. This guy's a clown. Alright, let me get the cold start. Alright, let's go. Alright, let me get you rolled up. Roll up. Now I'm just gonna stand here and wait for him to come back. I don't even know where he went. He's so gone. Alright, I hear him. He's coming. This guy got his wipers on for some reason. For how much he paid for the rims, they're actually way too clean. Let me know if you guys want to see a video of me or us respraying them. They're so nice. They're actually sick. Yo, hold on. How you feel?
What?
How you feel?
It's good, bro.
It's nice?
I was scared of stalling.
It's so nice though. But are we gonna do it or you wanna take it to a thing?
Yo, how do we powder coat?
We can just use spray. Like, you see how I use mine? That's what they use
You
at...
spray joist?
What?
You spray joist?
My calipers, yeah.
Oh, your calipers?
Yeah.
No, wait, I'm talking about the rims.
The rims, we can just use spray.
Okay. For powder coat? I mean bronze?
Yeah. Or white if you want. Convince him to get white.
Why?
Convince him to wait.
Watch that stuff, bro.
Yo, I'm gonna leave his
Okay.
on the video. DM him. Convince him to get white. I'm telling him, but this guy's too lazy to clean it after.
I'm too lazy, bro.
It's not that hard, man. You have a hose right there. Just spray it.
Still, bro, I gotta buy tire shop.
It's always nice, especially with like tucked fitments and stuff. I've seen so many pictures. They're so nice.
Yo, I still want like chrome rims, bro. I still want chrome rims.
We can think about that later.
Yeah, we're gonna have two grand to drop. Alright, I'm gonna stain your subs. Put it in my trunk.
If I want to take this shit on track, I'm probably gonna remove my subs.
Yeah, you have to. But yo, it's not that hard to take out though.
It's not, no. Nah, I mean, like, if I'm gonna like, put this car on track, like, properly, like, learn how to use the track properly, I'm gonna, like, completely remove the subs.
What? Sit in the car and I'm gonna drive in the neighborhood.
Okay, alright, let's go. It sounds nice.
Yeah, it sounds okay. Yeah. Like
It's nice.
it's kind of loud.
It's so much better than the other Civics I see.
Yeah, okay. That's why I got just the most. I was gonna buy the glass pack. And then I was like, I want to use that.
Alright, so that's gonna be the end of today's video. I'm gonna show you guys the wheels one more time. Look how happy this guy is. Been waiting for this.
Powder coat.
Alright, so
Done by
let me know if you want to see the powder coating video and we'll make it for you.
White or brown.
White or brown, comment down below. Like I said, I'll force him and you guys also text him. At least like one of you. Okay, if at least like one of you message one of them message you, you gotta do it. Yeah. Like out of like what, 100? One person. Message him and we'll do it. Alright, so that's gonna be the end of today's video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. Comment down below what? Oh, comment down below what color we should do the rims and then we'll get the video for you later.